Hello guys, I just bought myself a 2013 Ford F150 XLT. I already replaced the front grille yesterday because I hate chrome. There was the original Ford grille. It was beautiful, but since my last motorcycle I can't stand rubbing, shining, polishing chrome at all, so I will get rid of pretty much all the chrome on this truck. So the grill is already replaced and I'm getting ready to paint the front bumper. I degreased it. I start by washing it with soapy water. After that I degreased it with isopropyl alcohol to make sure there's no grease on it. After that I'm getting ready to sand it. A lot of video on YouTube suggesting to use 80 grit to sand this. Since it's very hard to sand, they suggest just to scuff it enough, deep enough so the paint have a good bond. I will see about that. I have a couple sort of disc from Arch that going on the grinder to a low RPM that going on a drill. I won't film while I am sanding because it will be a long process. I will pass my time replacing the battery instead of working on the bumper, but I will update you frequently on how it's going on. So stay tuned and let's start it. So I'm done with the sanding. As you can see, there's no more shiny, a little bit here, but I got a cover, a plastic cover that hit I think all this part, so even if I have a chip here, I hope I won't, but even if I have a chip here, it will be covered, but it's unlikely since there will be no rock or nothing that will go and hit it, so it's unlikely that it will peel, but everywhere else is etched enough so the paint will stick to it. And I used 80 grit with this sander, and I also use a grinder with a disc with 80 grit as well, because there was some area, as you can see, like here or in the corners, even in in the fog light, it was just impossible to go with the sander, so I used the grinder. Sorry, but now I'm ready to paint, but it's not actually paint. I will show you. Since it's a bumper and I do a lot of gravel roads, I will receive a lot of rock. So if I just put regular paint, even automotive paint, it will chip pretty fast, pretty early. So I will use truck bed liner paint, or it's not paint. It's supposed to be shock proof and scratch proof. But if you want to know how performant it is, there is a channel on YouTube, it's called Project Farm. It's actually one of my favorite channels because this guy is testing pretty much everything, something to do with mechanic or engine or oil, but just go and have a look to Project Farm YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description below, and you'll see the guy is just amazing. He's testing pretty much everything, and it's because of his video that I choose the Dupli-color truck bed, because of the color, because of the texture, and because of the performance. There are stronger product than that for bed, but for my bumper, for the purpose I want, for the color I'm looking for, this was the best choice for me. Maybe you would choose something else, but anyway, I will spray it. I need to put 3 coats, and it doesn't require a primer underneath, so I'm supposed to spray it right on the metal. So I will start that, and I will update you between coats or after the job will be done. I'll see how it goes, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I got 2 coats done already. I will show you close closer. I don't know if you can see the texture, but I must say I love it. I still one coat left to do, maybe two depending of the result, but so far it's pretty covered, and I love it. I love it. Anyway, I will update you when it will be finished. I will also update you when it will be back on the truck. Hey guys, so this is what look like after it's done. I love the color. Maybe you don't. If you are a chrome fan, sure you don't like what I did, but for me it's perfect. I like the black. So this grill was about 200 bucks cheaper than anything on the web. I like it. It's very easy to install. There is just one thing that I don't like about that. I will show you. I will need to fix that. So if you buy this grill, there's one thing you want to be careful of, is the original grill, you don't see the hood through it, but this grill you can see in the opening the bottom or the tip of your hood on both sides. And if you look from behind or from a little far, it's very ugly. So I will think of something to patch it, or I don't know. I just don't want to paint the hood, just in case I remove this grill or anything. So it's just a strip on the top. So I will probably install something black inside, the same color as the grill, so it won't show, and it will hide the lip or the tip of the hood. So this is the job for today. The new front end of my 2013 Ford F150. I will have plenty of work to do on this truck, so stay tuned. I will probably install this bull bar. Not sure yet. I will have to sand it as well, paint it, and put it on a truck. It will hide the ugly hole. I am also planning of installing a LED bar, so it will hide everything. But I'm not sure yet about the bull bar. But for sure I need to hide this hole because it's very ugly. So far, the job I will have to do on the truck in the front end is hide those tip of the hood, do something about this hole, and I want to retrofit the headlights because there is chrome in it and I don't like it. I know how to open it. You need to cook it on the oven, and to remove chrome from plastic, easy off is supposed to be a good tip. So I will try that. Maybe I won't go this way, but for sure I need to remove the chrome in this headlights because I hate it. Not the lightning area, but the surrounding. I will put it black as well, so I won't have to buy another set of headlights, which is about 500 or 600 bucks. And this will cost me a can of paint, a can of easy off, maybe 20 bucks. The bumper cost me I use 1.5 cans, the can, so about 15 bucks of bed liner paint for the bumper, and it looked like a brand new bumper. The grill cost me 180 bucks. So far I'm not even at 200 bucks, and the front end looked pretty awesome. So anyway guys, stay tuned and I will update you as soon as I will do another job on my truck. In the meantime, Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a good evening and see you later.